Hello and welcome to Altea Suite. Today I'm going to discuss email formats. In Altea Suite, we can set specific email formats to send emails to our customers. So to get there, we're going to go into locations and into our business locations, and then we need to choose our business location where we want to set our email formats. So I'm going to go in the context menu right here and click on email formats. So once you get into your email formats, you can see I have created some already. So we can do a lot of different email formats for different functions. So I can send an email format as a sales return, as a sales invoice, as a received payment, as a PO to suppliers, as a quotation back to the customers, and I can also send our customers payment links for both the quotations, the orders, and the invoice. So the way the email formats get created is we need to first go and click the new button, and then we need to decide what we need to email for. So if you go and click on the drop-down menu, we have all these different selections on what we can email for. So for this example, I'm going to go and choose my sales invoice email. And over here, it's going to bring whatever email format that I've already have set up. So in here, we need to choose which attachment that we want to associate to this email. So this attachment is going to be whatever format that we have for your current sales invoice as a default, or we can create a different PDF attachment for that. So in the attachment name, I've included the invoice number in brackets. So whenever I'm emailing from that invoice, it's going to grab that number. And then next, we need to go and choose what email account that we want to use in order to email from. And then lastly, we need to go and give our subject of our email, and then finally the body of the email. So in the subject line, you can see it's Altea Appliance, and then I've also included the invoice number. And then down in the body, I'll put the customer name in the brackets, so it'll pull the customer name of the invoice that I'm emailing from. And then you can create your little body, and then maybe a salutation at the end of it. And once you get your format all set up, you're going to hit the save button. Now that it's been saved, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to show you this in action. So I'm going to go to a new invoice. I'm going to choose my customer. So the customer has the address right there, and I need to make sure that this box is checked. Next, I'm going to go and add a product really quick. Now that I have my item selected, I'm going to choose its delivery function, and then I'm going to go and continue to the Pay Now screen. Then after I collect my payment and hit save or save and print, that email is going to automatically get sent to the customer's email address. So after you hit save, the email will be sent out to the customer. And so when the customer receives it, this is what they'll see. So here I put the subject line here, Altea Appliance, and then here's the invoice number that I put in bracket. It brought over the exact invoice number that I emailed from. It says hello customer name, and the customer is Andrew Jackson in this case. And then here's the body of my email. And then the attachment that we associated in the beginning is right here. It's using this invoice format, and I've renamed it with the attachment name invoice number. So this is exactly what the customer is going to see as soon as you send the invoice from Altea Suite. Thank you.